Hey you guys, welcome back to BlueStar's Unboxed Studios. I'm Sam and today I'll be unboxing the PA768 Rugged Touch Computer from Unitech. I don't think I need a box cutter for this one, so I'm just gonna jump right in. Okay, so right out of the box, I've got an instruction manual, which is definitely gonna come in handy. Got a USB-C cord, looks like a battery pack, and our touch computer. Oh, made handy with a hand strap on the back. So let me clear the rest of this up and we'll keep going. Okay, so we have our Rugged Touch Computer, its battery pack. I did unlatch the strap on the back so we could put the battery pack in. So let me do that really quick for you. Really simple. And then we'll just readjust our strap according to whoever's wearing it. I have small hands, so for me. The PA768 is Unitech's first rugged 5G and WLAN 6E mobile computer that aims to boost the average operational experience with speedy wireless communication and outdoor durability for professions within the field service, transportation, and logistics space. This mobile computer includes a powerful built-in 2D imager capable of reading 1D, 2D, DPM, and dot code barcodes on screen, as well as OCR. Optionally, the PA768 version with its flex range reader can read barcodes from up to 10 meters away. Furthermore, this device can withstand a 1.5 meter drop and is resistant to water and dust thanks to its IP65 and IP67 protection standards, making it a pivotal tool for field service technicians who wear gloves or have wet and dirty hands. The PA768 Rugged Mobile Computer supports Unitech Europe Mobility Orchestra, MDM software solutions, and utilities such as AirWatch, Saudi, Ivanti Wavelink, and MobileLink. This device comes readily available with Android 12 OS, Google Mobile Services, and a 16 megapixel camera to capture images on site, along with a sunlight readable 500 nits display. I wanted to extend a huge thank you to the team at Unitech for sending over this device so that I can unbox it for you and showcase its features and benefits. And if you're interested in pricing or availability, be sure to reach out to your BlueStar Europe rep today. Thanks guys.